It's crazy that we live in a world so connected now, so advanced, our very dreams are becoming a reality, where we used to only be able to imagine a world of virtual reality and touchscreen. We now live in it, consumed by it, some might even say, but it's impossible to stop the progress of technology in our lives. Technology is but a tool. It is the users that empower it with purpose and meaning. Thus, the pertinent question to ask is how we can and should implement these technologies. As a designer, I think it is both my passion and my mission to leverage design in consideration of these amazing technologies, to investigate how they can be incorporated into people's everyday lives. I believe firmly in designing for a better world, and I believe in designing for a better future. My name is Justin Lee, and I am a third-year interior design student at Drexel University's Antoinette Westphal College of Media Arts and Design. When I first began college, I was a computer science and engineering major, yet I can honestly say that I have found my true calling in interior design. However, my time spent in computer science imparted me with a really different perspective on how I would like to approach design. As such, when I start a project, one of the first things I tend to think about is how do I make this a place for the future? A place that keeps up with the ever-increasing demands of technology. At the same time, I love to explore the dynamics between people and the space they're using. How are employees experiencing and activating the space around them differently than clients? The next step is planning and trying to really capture the feel of the space. I'm very fond of 3D modeling and its use for VR exploration. The advantages of that are that the designer can understand and see real time how every corner of the space would look and feel. I think putting myself within the shoes of an actual user and allowing others to do the same, experiencing the space as they would in real life, is fundamental to how I approach a project. The project I submitted for Gensler is a commercial interior design firm called Devon. It's a firm that specializes in designing for outer space environments, ranging from orbital space stations to outer world colonies in the far edges of the galaxy. And the site of this project is a new building in Philadelphia by 39th Street and Market. It is situated on top of a very mature network of talents, college campuses, hospitals, science centers. In terms of the floor plan itself, we have approximately 20,000 square feet of office space, with the core in the center. Given this plan, I knew from the start I needed to design something that is linear in path, but complex in structure. I needed a core element in the design to embody the aura of the space I have envisioned. An element that is theatrical, one that reflects the ambitious nature of this company. That's when I decided on this perforated curvature wall that wraps the space. It not only leads users' eyes through the space, it also offers an element of spectacle and balance with the technology throughout every room. Similar to the mission of the company, the spaces and the rooms too should become a journey in themselves for the users. There are more than a few times when I took creative freedom and having fun with the design. For example, I added a custom universal language translation underneath each signage and wayfinding to reflect the hopes that by the time such technology and such a company exists, our world would have come together closer than we are now and unite as one. Gensler is a place of diversity and excellence. The projects they do and the values they believe in are all something I really admire. This is a humbling opportunity for me because it offers a chance for me to continue my education in pursuit of what design really means to me and what I can contribute back to the world. I would love to be a part of Gensler's team. Though I am relatively new to the industry, I am passionate about what I do. I am eager to learn, and I know Gensler is the perfect place for me to be.